today's video is the July unboxing of the Glossybox. This is a bit late, I know, it's probably not July when you guys are watching this, but the July box have been delayed for quite a long time, but I finally have received my July Glossybox. So if you want to see how to grab your hands on the Glossybox beauty boxes, or just to see, have a little nose of what's inside, then please stay tuned throughout this video. Also, I have discount codes as well for you guys. I show you what's inside this month's, well, shall I say, July's Glossybox has been kind of delayed a few times. I don't know whether it is something to do with their end or the Royal Mail, I have no idea, but it was delayed for quite a long while. The dispatch day is normally on the 5th of every month, but I didn't receive this until the 19th, which is a bit of a bummer, I know, but you just can't help it. So the August Glossybox, they are going to put in a little surprise for you all. If you are subscribed to Glossybox, you guys will have a little surprise in your August box. Now, I have seen all over Facebook that everyone has been judging about Glossybox, especially this month's, or shall I say again, July's Glossybox, because they don't think that the products are worth the money. They just didn't like the products, they have misinformation. I personally don't care. I do not care what's inside the box, because I will love every single product that's inside there anyway. I love the boxes, I love the products. You get to test out new things every month. Sometimes you get little treats. I can't fault Glossybox enough. Before I get on to anything else, this is not sponsored whatsoever. I do have discount codes because I have affiliate link with Awin, so I will leave all the links down below for you guys as well. I do have a few little things to mention on my phone, which has got discount codes and everything else, which I will sort out now for you guys before I show you the box. I've got a few little things just to read out for you guys. It's like a few little discount codes and stuff. I don't know if they are still valid. If they are, then hope you can grab your hands on one. If they ain't, then I do apologise. Again, the box came late and I couldn't exactly do this video without the box, and I can't exactly give you the links and everything and information if the box is not even here. Okay, so if the links are unavailable or you cannot purchase them anymore, then I do apologise. But yeah, I will get links and discount codes come through my email every month, because like I said, I'm working with Awin. I have a affiliate link with Glossybox. Again, everything you need to know about Glossybox, how to grab your hands on one, all the affiliate links and everything else, discount codes and all that lot will be in the description box below for you guys as well. So this is the last chance. Again, I do apologise if you cannot grab your hands on any of these, but this is the last chance to grab the July's Glossybox. If you are interested in Glossybox as well, everything will be listed down below of how to grab your hands on one, how to subscribe, the plan and everything else. You choose the plan that suits you, okay? So, it's the last chance to Glossybox July Beauty Treasures. Last chance to take the adventures of the Glossybox, featuring 5 beauty products, which is over £50. Now, every box that you receive every month is worth £50 on over, and I personally think the products are absolutely amazing. I love them so much, you cannot fault Glossybox whatsoever. Get your first box for just £10. Sorry about that, guys. I've got some very noisy people down my road. I'll just repeat that bit again. Get your first box for just £10 with free delivery. Enter the code GOLD in capitals, GOLD. Again, I will leave all this in the description box below for you guys anyway. And all new subscribers will receive a £10 Uber Eats voucher at checkout. Now, if you are already subscribed to Glossybox and you want the summer bag, I do have a discount code for that as well. So, last chance for the Glossybox summer bag offer. While stocks last, discover 12 summer products worth over £115. £25 for subscribers and £30 for non-subscribers, including brands such as NARS, Laura Mercier and Skinny Tan. And I have a discount code and a link for that as well. It also says here everything that I have just mentioned about the July Glossybox and the summer bag. It's only available if there is stock left. I will leave all the links down below for you guys, as well as the discount code GOLD for the July box. I will leave everything down below, but it was only last if the stocks last, if there's any stock left basically. But if there isn't and you cannot get your hands on one, I do apologise. I just get these emails come through, and obviously I have to wait for the box to come through to be posted, and then I have to have time to film these videos as well. So I do apologise if you cannot grab your hands on one, but I think the summer bag is still available. I'm not too sure on that. And then obviously it's just basically telling you about the e-gifts. So if you want to give someone a gift like a Glossybox, you can actually purchase a card as well. And I was going to tell you about the Huda Beauty limited edition Glossybox, but unfortunately that has been sold out. I have purchased one myself. I'm still waiting for it to be processed and everything else, and then I can show you guys. So got all that out of the way. Now it's just to show you what's inside this beautiful box. So this month's box, why do I keep saying this month? Because the day you guys are watching this, it's probably not July, it's probably August. Anyway, July's Glossybox looks like this. It's so beautiful and so stunning. I absolutely love it. Some of the boxes that I receive every month, I'm like, I want to keep it, but I don't know where to put it. I want to keep this box because I cannot speak. It looks so beautiful and stunning, and look how it's opened. Oh, I love it. I really do love it, but I just don't know where to put it, what to do with it, but I will find something. It comes in this beautiful yellow ribbon and a beautiful yellow tissue paper. Again, I have already opened it, and I've already opened the products as well to show you as well. But like I said, some people have been saying bad things about Glossybox and about the products and everything else. They're not worth the money, but I absolutely love them. Hand on heart, I don't care what's inside the box, I will love the products anyway. So in every box you get a little treat, whether it's a Belvita bar or little chewing gums. Now I had 2 of the extra chewing gums, which as you can see I've already opened and eaten. I had one and Nathan had one, but I just wanted to show you guys, you get little treats as well. Then this product here, this is the M&Co Beauty Lip and Cheek Tint. Again, I've already opened it because I had to do a picture for Instagram. Keep you guys updated. I don't normally use this kind of thing, but it's nice to have in your drawer. So this is in the shade Flamingo Pink. As you can see, I've not even opened it. But yeah, I don't normally use these kind of things. I normally go for lip balms and matte lipsticks and lip glosses and stuff, but I will give it a go. I'm not going to say no and I'm not going to say yes. The next thing that I'm absolutely in love with, I've been spraying it ever since I bought it. Every time since I've received it. As you can see, the bottle is half empty already because it is so nice. I'm not even going to try and pronounce the name of this bottle. I probably don't know if you guys can actually see that. I don't think you can. But this is the Aurora Body Fragrance Mist. It does smell absolutely incredible. Oh, it's got like the hint of coconut in as well. Smells so nice. I absolutely love it. But yeah, I don't know why people are slating July's Glossybox because I actually quite like them. And now this was the big thing all over Facebook. Like, people have been opening their boxes and saying, oh my god, why have I got wipes in my Glossybox? It's not worth the money, I don't like them, blah blah blah. I love them. Wipes come in handy. I don't care if they are cheap, I don't care if they're expensive. Wipes come in handy, especially these ones, because these are the Sport FX wipe away Wipe the day away eye and face makeup remover wipes. Sorry, I just can't speak today. So I have already used one. I'll show you ones that's already attached, but you can actually take them away from you. So you've got one for your face and one for your eyes. They are very easy just to tear up and put in your bag, or even fold up and put in your bag, in your handbag, and you've always got wipes on you. So I absolutely love them. I think they are brilliant, because you don't always want to fancy taking a great big packet of wipes with you. I personally think these are absolutely amazing, and I love these. I'll bring it closer so you guys can see. The Sports FX Wipe the Day Away Eyes and Face Wipes. Then the last two products I have to show you is this. So this one is the Kind Bronze Bronzer, and it is so beautiful. I love the packaging as well. It's so really nice. So this is the bronzer, and it's in the shade Blissful Bronze. I will open it and show you guys properly, but it looks absolutely stunning. Look at that colour. I absolutely love that so much. It's beautiful. It's in a lovely packaging as well, and I absolutely love it. I'll bring it closer so you guys can see as well. Then the last but not least, I've already opened it. I've not even used it. Nathan just wanted to smell it. But this is the Foam O in Apple and Star Fruit Shower Steamer. So this, according to this, it says here, place on the shower floor, turn on the shower and allow a short time for the aroma of apple and star fruits and sweet oranges, essential oils to embrace your shower experience. Now, we've got a bath. We do have a shower head, but I'm not just going to stand in the bath and holding the shower head over this thing. So I'm just going to use it as a normal bath bomb, because I think that's what you're going to do anyway. But yeah, it is absolutely beautiful. I will show you. It's like a shell shape as well. Sorry guys, I keep looking in the viewfinder to talk to you, but it's absolutely beautiful. It's in this beautiful shell shape. I do apologise, I cannot speak today. I don't know what's wrong with me. I keep getting my words mixed up. But it's in a beautiful colour as well, and it does smell of apples, and I cannot wait to actually try that and give that a go. So I hope you guys have enjoyed it. If you have, give it a great big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click on the notification bell next to it so you're notified every time I upload. I'm so sorry that this July box is up late. The box came late. Like I said, it was a bit of a delay, but it's here and it's ready for you guys as well. And I apologise if the stock has been ended for the July Glossybox and the summer bag. I do apologise for that. I will leave the links in the description box below for you guys anyway, just in case if there is any stock left, so you guys can grab your hands on one, because if you're going to love them as much as I do, then you're going to enjoy every single product. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.